To make these honey barbecue chicken wings, you need to add 1 cup of flour to a bowl, and also garlic salt, 1 tablespoon of that, 1 tablespoon of garlic pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. You then need to mix this dry mix into a bowl. Once done so, you need to get 20 chicken wings and dip them into the mixture. You then need to add the chicken wings onto an oven tray, and once you've done so, you need to put it in the oven at 220 degrees for roughly 45 minutes, turning over the chicken wings halfway through. Once it has been in the oven, you need to make the sauce, which consists of 1 cup of barbecue sauce and half a cup of pure clear honey. Then you need to mix this sauce into a bowl, and then you need to add your chicken wings, which have been cooked, to the barbecue honey sauce. Then place the chicken wings onto another oven tray to cook at again 220 degrees for about 5 to 10 minutes. And this is how the beautiful chicken wings look like after they've been cooked. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.